Now we are going to talk about the purchase of Rupert's land first and then the provisional government.
The purchase of Rupert's land. They were transferring the land over for Canada around 1867 and 1869. The people who lived there were not consulted of this matter and became angry.
Canada was received in 1869 and they joined with the Northwest Territory to call themselves the Northwest Territories.
Canada doubled in size and the fur trade was still allowed to be continued. They had rights to farmland in cash payment without the monopoly they previously had.
In 1868 the land surveyors came to survey the land and laid out the surveying grid blocks and not strips of land like there was previously. Land already owned was split up and surveyors could not be called to survey the land again.
They did this because they were told that the land was not belonging to the people who lived on it, and that is why they cut it in a grid rather than strips.
First we will have a quick amazing act out of our teacher.
I love socials.
But what can I do for a project for the grade 10 class?
I know I will make them go on a talk show and make them record themselves so I can laugh at them.
Yes, I think it's an amazing idea. That is what I will do.
Now we will continue on with socials.
Now for the provisional government.
The provisional government meant it was a temporary government. Riel wanted to set up one to maintain order and to negotiate an agreement.
This agreement was to make the surrounding territory of the Red River enter Confederation as the province of Manitoba.
That is the conclusion of this section. As you should know, this episode was dedicated to Mr. Reid.